Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to stream on Kick using OBS Studio on your PC or laptop. Now, there are a few things we need and a few things we need to get. So, of course, you need your PC and laptop. But in this video, it's going to be the entire step-by-step process on how to stream on kick.com using OBS Studio. So we're going to go over signing up. We're going to go over getting OBS Studio and setting those things up, and signing up for Kick, and then just setting up OBS so that we can stream on Kick. So the first thing you need to do is go to your browser and open two tabs, one for Kick and the other for OBS Studio. So for Kick, it's going to be kick.com, or you just need to go straight to kick.com like this. And the other one is going to be on OBS Studio. So it's going to be the second one, the second option here. I'm assuming this is the forums. So you go to the second one. So these are the two websites that we need, right? So for OBS Studio, all you need to do is click on whatever laptop you have. If you have a Windows laptop, click this. It supports Windows 10 and 11. If you have a MacBook, use Mac OS. And if you're one of those weirdos who use Linux, I'm sorry, but that's just the truth. Yeah, use Linux. So you can use OBS Studio with Linux, but I would assume most people are going to go with Windows. So just click on that, and you're going to be able to just download app for OBS Studio, and it's a very straightforward process. As you can see, this is it. I'm actually using it. It's just like any other app that that you've installed in your PC or even in your phone. So after that, that's done. You have your OBS on standby like this. Now we go to Kick. Now we need to sign up. So click on sign up. This is just like any other website. If you go on to Twitch, it's the same thing. Kick is just Twitch Lite, but it allows gambling pretty much. So sign up, email, birthday, username, password, confirm password, the same thing. But this is easier if you have an existing email that you're using. Just click on sign up with Google, and you can just choose the Google, the Gmail that you have, and it's going to be the same thing. And after that, you're going to get a confirmation email on that account to confirm and verify your Kick account. After you're verified and you're confirmed, then you are good to go. So after that, you'll be able to log into your Kick, and as you can see, this is our Kick account, and with OBS, this is their OBS at the same time. So we're gonna go to your Kick account first, right? So in your Kick account, what you want to do is click on the right corner, upper right corner of the screen like this. A pop-up will appear. What you want to do is go to Creator Dashboard, and in your Creator Dashboard, this is pretty much, if you've been on Twitch, it's pretty much the same, just different color schemes. Instead of purple, it's going to be green. So click on settings, and here you're going to see stream key. Click on stream key. This is our stream key, so we're going to go back to that later. Now going back to OBS Studio, so there are a few things. I have a few scenes here, but we only need one for the moment. So what we want is, you need to have a display capture, which is pretty much what you're going to see on the screen, what your audience or your viewers are going to see on the screen. You're going to need an audio output capture, and you're going to need an audio input capture. The audio output capture is going to be what they're going to hear from you. If you're walking around vlogging, say in France or Hawaii, they're going to hear the ambient sound of people walking, traffic, bicycle, whatever. Or if you're playing a game, they're going to hear the game audio input capture is going to be the same as your microphone. So make sure that you're using the right microphone that you have. So to do that, click on the three dots here. As you can see, as I speak, it is moving. Click on the three dots, go to properties, and microphone. On the device, just choose the microphone that you have, that you're going to use, and then like me, I'm using my NVIDIA Broadcast because it is such a gem when it comes to cleaning out ambient or external noise. So click OK. So now you have a display capture. Now they can hear your game or your surroundings, and now they can hear you, right? So that's pretty much what we want. Now to further up the settings is go to settings, no pun intended, click on settings, will appear. So here, what we want is go to output, and we're gonna go to streaming. So for streaming, we want our rate control CBR, our bitrate 66,000 kbps. Our keyframe interval is at 0. Some people do 2. I do 2. I do 0. I mean, preset is low, which is good quality. P5. Tuning is high quality. Multi-pass mode, 2 passes. Quarter resolution. Profile is at high, and you need to have your psycho visual tuning ticked or enabled. GPU at 0. Some people will do 2. Max B frames at 2. So that's going to be your output. This is going to be what the quality is. And as you can see, the rescale output is at 1920 by 1080, which is what you want. So after that, go to audio. Here, what you want is just 2 audio brackets. Excuse me. One is desktop audio, which is what they're gonna hear and what you're gonna hear. So if you're using you're gonna use a pair of headphones like what I am doing right now, because I don't use speakers. So use that. And with your mic / auxiliary audio, like what I said, this is our microphone. This needs to be the same as the thing on the first couple minutes that we were setting up this video a few minutes ago. They need to be the same, so it's NVIDIA broadcast, and everything else should be disabled. All of this should just be the same. So that's our audio, and now we go to video. So video, base canvas, 1920 by 1080. Aspect ratio is 16 by 9, of course. Ideally, the output scale resolution should be the same, but if you can't, well, but as you can see, 1920 by 1080 is the ideal 16 by 9 ratio. Downscape filter, we don't need that. FPS value is at 60, but if your computer is not that strong, you're probably gonna get away with 30. So 30 to 60 is the sweet spot. After that, we go to stream. Now here on stream, what we want is, as you can see there on the service, there is Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, Restream, Twitter, WHIP, but no Kick. So we choose custom, of course, right? Custom, and there are two things we need from Kick, which is the server or our URL and the stream key. That's why I went here, right? We're going back to Kick. And now that we're in Kick, what we want is to copy both. So let's copy the stream URL first. Just click on that. As you can see, copy to clipboard. Go to the server. Do that. Go back to Kick. Copy the stream key. And then do that. And then click apply and click OK. After that, you're pretty much good to go. And all you need to do is just click stream, start streaming, and you're pretty much good to go. Just do this. You can just edit everything else here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.